Can a smartphone really change how we look at mobile photography? Huawei thinks so, and their next phone might just prove it. After weeks of hints and leaked images, Huawei has now officially confirmed the release date for its new flagship phone
series, the Huawei Pura 80, and it's coming sooner than you might think. Let's take a closer look at what Huawei is cooking up and why this launch could be a big moment for camera phones in 2025. Huawei has officially set June 11th at 2:30
p.m. Beijing time for the launch of the Pura 80 series. This was announced via their official Weibo account with a poster that's already got fans talking. Along with the Pura 80 smartphones, Huawei also plans to showcase several smart products during the event. So, it's not just a phone launch, it's going to be a full-on tech showcase. The teaser poster gives us a strong hint about what Huawei wants to highlight: the camera. It shows a large circular camera module with two glossy lenses, both surrounded by a thick golden ring. These lenses appear to be dual periscope telephoto cameras, and that's a pretty big deal. If true, we might see huge improvements in zoom and overall image clarity, especially in low-light settings. It looks like Huawei is putting camera power front and center for the Pura 80 Pro Plus, or possibly an Ultra version. Interestingly, just a few days ago, Huawei's own consumer business CEO, He Gang, may have accidentally shown off one of these phones in public. The pictures from that moment went live on Weibo, clearly showing the phone's back. The most noticeable feature? A huge camera bump, even larger than what we saw on last year's P-series models. So if anyone had doubts that Huawei was focusing on camera tech this year, that should clear things up. Another confirmed detail is that the new phones will run Harmony OS 5.0, Huawei's latest operating system. While we don't know the exact new features yet, Huawei says the system is now more stable and will power the Pura 80 series out of the box. This could mean faster performance, smoother animations, and better integration with other Huawei devices like tablets, smartwatches, and even TVs. Now here's where things get interesting. Huawei is keeping many key details secret, for now. We don't yet know the battery size in milliamp per hour, how fast it will charge in watt, or the exact megapixels for each camera sensor. There's no official mention of the processor either. But judging by past models, we can expect a high-performance chip, at least in the Pro and Ultra versions. Huawei hasn't shared whether it will start with a Pioneer program, a limited early release like it has done before, or if this will be a standard rollout. Huawei describes the Pura 80 with this tagline: "With foresight beyond what is seen." That alone tells us this phone is probably designed with photography in mind, and with the way the teaser and leaks are lining up, the Pura 80 series might be Huawei's biggest leap in smartphone imaging yet. So mark your calendar. June 11th is shaping up to be an important date for Huawei fans and camera lovers alike. Will the Pura 80 live up to the hype? We'll find out soon enough. But one thing's for sure: Huawei wants this phone to stand out, and it might just pull it off. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest news on upcoming phones and tech updates. Could Samsung be about to drop one of its popular Galaxy models? A fresh leak hints that the Galaxy S Plus series might be on its way out, and the spotlight is now shifting to a new device: the Galaxy S25 Edge. Reports say that Samsung is considering replacing the Galaxy S26 Plus with the S26 Edge as early as next year. But there's a twist. This move depends completely on how the Galaxy S25 Edge performs once it hits the market. If the new Edge model sells well, the Plus version could be phased out for good. Let's take a closer look at how this could unfold. Right now, Samsung's Galaxy S lineup includes the regular S model, the S Plus, and the top-tier Ultra. There's also the Galaxy S FE, which usually comes later in the year and offers a more affordable option with decent features. This year, Samsung already has the Galaxy S25 FE in the works, and now, with the addition of the S25 Edge, that's 5 models competing within the same series. That's a lot of phones, and it's easy to see why Samsung might want to simplify things. The main reason behind this possible shift seems to be sales performance. According to what Samsung is reportedly sharing with suppliers, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to sell around 17.4 million units. The base Galaxy S25 is projected to sell 13.6 million. But the Galaxy S25 Plus is lagging behind, with only about 6.7 million expected units. Compared to the others, that's a huge gap. From a business perspective, it makes sense. Why continue to produce a version that isn't pulling in strong numbers, especially when a new model like the Edge might attract more attention? The Edge version seems to be aimed at people who want high-end specs but in a slimmer and more compact design. It's supposed to sit neatly between the base model and the Ultra, offering powerful features without the extra size or weight. Leaked details suggest that development for the Galaxy S26 series is already underway under the project name NPA. Right now, the plan is to release 3 phones next year: the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Interestingly, Samsung is still leaving some flexibility in the lineup. If the S25 Edge doesn't perform well in the market, Samsung might reconsider and bring back the S26 Plus. In that case, both the Edge and Plus could exist side by side, especially since ultra-thin flagships are expected to be a growing trend, possibly influenced by rumors of Apple working on a super-thin iPhone 17 Air. So what exactly makes the Edge model different? It's built to offer top-tier performance in a sleeker form. Early reports suggest it could come with a 200-megapixel main camera, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip, and support for Galaxy AI features. The thinner body is what sets it apart. It's for users who want power without bulk. And if Samsung promotes it right, the Edge could end up being the most popular option of the bunch. There's even talk that Samsung might use advanced battery technology like silicon carbon in the Edge model. This would allow for more capacity, possibly around 4,500 mAh, without increasing the phone's thickness. It's another move that fits perfectly with a slimmer flagship phone strategy. What do you think? Would you pick the Edge over the Plus, or do you think Samsung should keep both options? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more updates, leaks, and easy-to-understand tech news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Ever wondered what cool stuff you might be missing on your Samsung phone after the One UI 7.0 update? Most people notice the updated look or how smooth everything feels, but some of the best features are hidden in plain sight. These small changes can actually make using your phone feel more fun and personal, and you probably haven't even tried them yet. Let's start with something playful. Samsung has added a smart new tool to its keyboard that lets you create stickers just by typing out a short sentence. Imagine typing a sleepy cat on a pillow and seeing that exact image turn into a sticker right from your keyboard. It uses artificial intelligence to create a visual version of what you type. No more searching through sticker packs or downloading extra apps. Now your ideas become your own custom stickers with just a few taps. If you're into doodling or drawing, there's another new feature you'll enjoy. One UI 7.0 introduces Drawing Assist, which lets you turn your sketches into stickers too. Just draw something, a star, a heart, or even something silly, then tap the sticker option and it instantly saves your artwork as a usable sticker. You also get a few different styles to choose from, so your sketch can have a unique look. It's an easy way to make conversations more creative and personal. The update also brings improvements to the Gallery app, especially when it comes to photo collages. Now you can make your own layout instead of choosing from pre-made templates. Just pick your photos, tap Create, and go for the freeform option. This lets you move, resize, and rotate your pictures however you like. You could even change the background color, blur it out, or add rounded corners to your images. It's all about giving you full control over how your collage looks, whether you're making something for social media or just for fun. Multitasking has also been improved. If you use floating pop-up windows for apps like Notes or Messages,